Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting features in Hamster Kombat, the daily combo card. This feature is a fantastic way to earn up to 5 million coins daily. Let's get into how it works and how you can maximize your rewards. Big note, if you want the See Today reveal of the combo card, watch till the end. First, what is the daily combo card? In Hamster Kombat, the daily combo card rewards players for collecting and combining specific cards. Each day, a new combination of cards is released, and if you successfully combine them, you can earn a substantial number of coins. Here's how you can take advantage of this feature. Daily release. Every 24 hours, a new combo card combination is released. Make sure to check the game daily to stay updated on the latest combo. Combination rewards. By correctly combining the specified cards for the day, you can earn up to 5 million coins. This is a significant boost to your in-game wealth and can help you progress faster. Card upgrades. Some cards may need to be upgraded in the mine section to qualify for the combo reward. Ensure your cards are at the required level to claim the maximum reward. To stay on top of the daily combos, follow Hamster Kombat community channels and guides. There are many YouTube videos and online resources that track the daily combinations and provide tips on how to collect and combine the necessary cards efficiently. Okay, now let's see today's combo card. At first glance, you can see all the cards together, but I will go through them one by one so you know where to find each one. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.